this is how you can automatically share your Facebook Reels and videos to your Facebook story. The video is already uploaded. You can see that the story also got automatically updated. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account or page. Next, you need to come and click here. Next, you have to click settings. After this, you have to scroll a little bit down and click media. Next, you have to scroll a little bit down, and in this section you can see always share reels to stories, always share videos to stories. So you have to enable these both two. So once these both two are enabled, in the future whenever you post a reel or a video, it will be automatically shared to your Facebook story. So this is how it is done. Click the subscribe button if you'd like to get more videos like this.